Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of showing the battery status on the taskbar in Windows 10. This can be a convenient feature, allowing you to keep track of your device's battery life at a glance. Let's get started. Step 1. Press and hold or right-click any empty space on the taskbar. Step 2. From the context menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. Step 3. In the Taskbar Settings window, scroll down until you find the option Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Step 4. Click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar to expand the settings. Step 5. Among the available icons, locate Power and set the toggle to the On position. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the battery status on the taskbar in Windows 10. Remember, having the battery status displayed on the taskbar can be helpful in monitoring your device's power level and ensuring that you don't run out of battery unexpectedly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy your Windows 10 experience with the battery status readily available on your taskbar.